Good morning, third grade. Today's lesson we're doing is lesson 140. That is on page 160. So open up your workbooks to page 160. Okay, 160. And today's lesson is just a remember lesson, so it's all review. So I'm going to read the points there about an adverb, okay? So let's review that and let's read this together. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, which we already know. Some adverbs tell how the action of the verb is done. Some adverbs tell when the action of the verb was done. Some adverbs tell how often the action of the verb happened. So those three things, okay, it tells how, when, and how often. Those are the three questions the adverb asks. So what are the three questions? It tells how, when, and how often, okay? So, an adverb also describes the verb. So that's the main job the adverb does. It describes. So it describes the verb, okay? Think A. So it says, complete each sentence by writing an adverb that answers the question in parentheses. Now, we're going to do the first two sentences together, and then 3, 4, and 5 you can do by yourself. But let's see here. I wrote it down. My first one. So, we have Grace opened her birthday gift blank. The question says how. So how did Grace open her birthday gift? Can anyone think of something of how can someone open a birthday gift? I can think of one. So think as if it's your birthday. How can you open a birthday gift? So Grace opened her birthday gift. How? Excitedly, maybe? So we'll write excitedly on the line here. So Grace opened her birthday gift excitedly. So that is one adverb you can think, and then if there's another one you can think of, then that's fine. Go ahead and write it down. Okay, number 2. Noah blank asked mom for a snack. So Noah, it says how in your book, Noah, how did he ask mom for a snack? So think of how maybe you may ask your mom for a snack, or your dad, your grandparents, whoever. So how do you ask for a snack? How? Okay, I have one. Maybe we can say politely. Okay, so Noah politely asked mom for a snack. Very good, politely. That is an adverb, right? Saying how he did it. So how, politely. Okay, so he politely asked. See how politely is describing asked? Okay, all right. Think B. Think B says mark each sentence. You're going to diagram the subjects, verbs, verb, and adverb. So you're going to diagram the subjects, the verb, and your adverb. Now, number 1, let's read it together. We're gonna read the sentence first. We're gonna mark our sentence, and then we're gonna diagram it on our books, where I have my whiteboard. Okay, so let's read it. Okay, Sam and Jared wear seatbelts in the car always. So we have Sam and Jared wear seatbelts in the car always. Now, let's go ahead and do our subjects first, because it's just easy that way, right? So what are the subjects of the sentence? Who or what is the sentence about? Good, Sam and Jared. How many times are we underlining that? Very good, just one time. So Sam and Jared are the subjects. Now, what is my verb? What is my verb? That's right, where. It shows the action. We underline that 2 times. Very good. Where is the verb? And then what is my adverb? What's my adverb? So how does he wear it? Or when, or how often? Not when. It's how often, right? So how often does he wear the seatbelt. How often? Always. Very good. So we're going to circle our adverb, right? And then we're going to draw the arrow from always to where. So mine is like this because I had to fit it into 2 sections. So I drew the arrow to always. So yours, make sure you draw your arrow backwards to where? To the verb. And then we have to divide it. So let's divide our subject between our predicate. So where are we going to put the dividing line? That's right, between, which I'm going to do a different color with that just so you can see it. Between Jared and where? Very good. Okay, so I divided it between Jared and where. Okay, right. Now that we have our sentence marked, we're going to go ahead and write it on the lines. Now, you see the rocket there? We have a blank on this side and a blank on this side. So what's going to go over here? The rocket for our, that's right, our compound subject. So that means there's more than one subject. And on this side, on the right side, is the verb. Very good. And then, oh, I forgot to also draw the line down like that. I apologize. And so that will diagram what there? Our verb's there. So what is describing it? That's right, our adverb. Very good. You guys are so smart. Okay, so let's do that really quick. And so what are we going to put on these 2 rocket lines over here? So good. Sam goes there, and then what goes there? And Jared. Very good. So we'll put Sam first on the first line. And then we'll go ahead and write Jared on the second line. Sam and Jared. Just like that. Now, where is our verb going to go? That's right, on the right side. Excellent job. So our verb is where, and you write that on the line. Where, just like that. Okay, next, our adverb is what? Always. Very good, and we're going to diagram it. That's right, on the slant here, because we know that it's describing the verb, wear. So how often? He always wears it, okay? And that's how we do our diagramming also. So number 2, I'm gonna have you do on your own for practice, and then you're gonna do 3, 4, and 5 for practice too. Take your time doing it, try your best 3rd grade, and we'll go ahead and do another lesson tomorrow.